Let's learn how to create and use sticky notes. Find and tap the sticky note icon. This will create a new sticky note on top of the website you're currently on. You can give your sticky note a title and type the contents of your note in the space below.
This is a pink note.
Hit the play button to use text-to-speech to read your note back out to you.
This is a pink note. I can change its color.
And click the paintbrush icon to change the colors of the sticky note. You can click and drag your sticky note to place it anywhere you want on the web page. In the Notes app settings, you can search through all your notes as well as filter them by different criteria. And if you reload or click away from the page where your note was created, the next time you return to that page, the note will be right where you left it. And you can add as many notes to any page you want.
I can change its size.
And you can change its size. And now we've covered everything you need to know about how to use Helperbird Sticky Notes.